Hey, you know, you hear me talk a lot about my clothing and the gear that I wear to keep myself comfortable throughout the day when I'm fishing in these harsh conditions. You know, it's late fall right now. Temperatures are cold. We're hovering right around the freezing point. So one of the things that becomes an issue is slippery floors in the boat. Typically we're fishing in smaller boats this time of year, whether you're fishing or duck hunting. One super important piece of equipment that I've added to my arsenal is an extra inflatable PFD. You can see this one right here. This is a Bass Pro Shops brand that they wear. There's a variety of different brands out there of inflatables like this, but what's really nice about the inflatable vest, such as the one that I'm wearing, is that basically it's like that I don't even have it on. It doesn't inhibit my movement at all. What it does is it guarantees that if I do slip, it's going to give me a safety factor that I'm not going to be fighting all of these clothes. Once you hit the water with these clothes, as warm as they keep you above the water, as soon as you hit the water with these clothes, you're fighting them. So incorporating this life jacket is just gives me a peace of mind. It's a great safety piece. Once again, whether you're duck hunting or fishing, it's a great idea to always have them on.